Hello gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm doing something different, and I know a couple of you guys might be wondering, from where are you going to, what's with the outfits? Don't worry you guys, I do it all for you. Okay, I just finished filming a cute little tutorial for you guys, and I decided to play dress up as well while filming this tutorial. You guys are going to see in no time. Okay, but in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I DIYed this particular cute little hairstyle that we have right here. I'm going to give you guys a 360 spin so you can also admire the hair. You like it, right? I know. Anyway, in today's video I'm going to show you all how I packed my hair. If you've been interested in knowing all about this process, please be sure to watch this video to the end. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel and this is your first time of seeing my beautiful face, okay, please don't make it the last time you see this face by hitting the subscribe button. Turn on your post notification as well, so you'll be the first to know anytime I post tutorials. Okay, I typically share DIY tutorials, but the main content you will typically see on here on the channel is how to make cute little hair accessories. Okay, I am obsessed, I am in love with hair accessories, and I like to share tutorials on how to make them for yourselves or for your clients. If you're running a business where you make hair accessories, my channel is a plug. Okay, so please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Also, if after watching this video you enjoyed watching, which I'm sure you would, please be sure to hit the like button. That way I know that you guys enjoyed. Okay, or you could as well just go ahead and hit the like button right now. All right guys, without wasting too much of your time, all right, let's get straight into the meat and the potatoes of today's video. Let's go.
Alright guys, to make this hairstyle you need your hair padding. I made this one by just stuffing my regular wig cap with hair extension. You can also buy the ready-made one. You can easily find that in your beauty supply store. You also need your scrunchie or just hair ties. You need your combs. I have my white tooth comb and your regular pintail comb. You also need your edge brush, and then you need your hair wax, your gel. I'm using this got2b glue for just my edges. You need your hairpins. You also need hairspray. Of course, I'm trying this brand for the first time. And you need your regular schmegular attachment. This is just expression hair attachment, okay, or hair extension, depending on what you choose to call it. And then you need your invisible net, of course, to just tidy up the entire look. This is me. I just washed my hair and I'm taking out the scrunchie on it. What I went ahead to do was to straighten it, and this is my hair after blow drying and straightening. And I just thought to flaunt it for you guys to see how my relaxed hair is doing. It looks absolutely beautiful, as you guys can see. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to pack the hair, and I decided to go with a center part. Okay, decide if you want to do side part, center part, all back, that's your call. And this is me just combing it using my white tooth comb first of all. Then I went ahead to go in with my bristle brush, all right, and then I used that bristle brush to just slick everything to the back and make it look absolutely smooth. Okay, depending on the fullness of your hair and just your hair situation, okay, determine how how you want to comb it and smoothen everything to look nice. Okay, this bristle brush, very important. Okay, if you don't have it, it's the hairstyle will give, but it will not give enough. Okay, this bristle brush just has a way of make the hair very smooth and nice, and it just lets everything slick down perfectly. Okay, I also went ahead to go in with my tail comb. Okay, the tail comb as well, just it helps to just comb the hair nicely and make everything look smooth. Okay, I just did a combination of different combs in combing my hair, and this is the gel that I chose to use. Feel free to use any type of gel that you like. You just want to use your gel to just make sure that your hair slicks down. At this point, I could have gone in with hair wax, but I just changed my mind last minute to use gel as opposed to the hair wax. Okay, so the choice of hair products that you want to use to slick down your hair is yours. Feel free to use the hair wax, like I said, or go with gel, depending on you and what you like. Okay, and I'm just applying that gel all over my hair, and you saw that I did not use it on the center part of my hair. At that point, I like to just go in with got2b, because got2b just has a way of slicking down your hair really smoothly. So I just avoided that center part, and then I applied gel all over my entire hair, and I also went in again with my bristle brush to just slick down the look, and then I packed my hair one more time to make sure that everything is lying down smooth. So what I'm doing now is I'm just weaving, or is it braiding, the ponytail of my hair. I don't know if it's ponytail they call it, but I'm just braiding it, okay? And at this point you want to braid it very firmly. For me, I didn't really braid it firmly, and you guys will see why it's important for you to braid the hair very firmly, okay? Not too tight but firm, okay, such that the hair doesn't look too poofy and loose, okay? So I'm just going to do this real quick, braid it all the way to the end, and then once I get down to the end of my hair, I'll just twist it around and just roll it around to just secure the ends of the hair. You guys see the way I'm rolling it around, okay? My hair is pretty thick, so this point it kept loosening and loosening, but I was eventually able to just roll it around, and this is what the end result looks like. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to grab my hair extension, this regular, Nigerians call it attachment, some people call it a hair extension, okay? So decide the one that you want to call your own. So yeah, this is me just using my rubber band to just pull, just to create some kind of attachment for the hair extension to my own natural hair, okay? And on camera I just attached it once, but you need to go into it, roll it around like twice, okay? Make sure that it's sitting firmly on your hair and it's covering your natural hair. Then you want to take this tiny portion here and just use that to roll around the hair, just to attach the extension properly to your hair and cover up the joining, okay? You don't want people to see where the hair and your natural hair and your hair extension are meeting each other, okay? So you use this to just cover everything up and roll it around nicely. And after rolling it around, if you like, you can choose to spray some hairspray on it. I didn't spray hairspray on mine, and I think that also, not doing that also kind of made things pretty difficult towards the end. So please go ahead to spray some hairspray at this point on your hair to make sure that everything is sitting perfectly, okay? And at this point I'm going to attach my hair padding, okay? And this is how you attach it. I don't know how to explain it, just watch the way I'm rolling it around. If you have someone with you, this is a good point to probably call them to come and help you. Just describe how you want them to roll it and they roll it for you. You guys saw, guys, see my face here. I was struggling, okay? So it would have been nice if you have it would have been nicer, I mean, if I had someone that could just see behind and roll it around perfectly for me. But because it was just me in the house and I had to make this hairstyle for the video that I was filming, I just had to make do with what I could do, and it would have been really nice if maybe I had some kind of eye behind me. So I was now wishing maybe I placed my camera behind me and had a monitor in front of me to just see what I'm doing clearly. But yeah, maybe next time I would not make this mistake. But yeah, this is me just using my hairpin to just secure the hair padding and the way I rolled my hair, and this is what the back view looks like. I feel like it could look better, like I said, if I had eyes behind me that could tell me, oh, do it like this, or if I had my camera and I could see what was going on behind me. But because I was just walking by faith, hoping that what I was doing made sense. But yeah, eventually I was able to make the whole thing work. So the next thing I did was just attach my hair. First of all, I wore this my invisible net on the hair extension, and the work of this invisible net is to keep your hair looking neat, okay? If you leave your hair without the invisible net, chances are you will have some flyaways and things might get rough from there. But the moment you add this invisible net, the invisible net is going to keep your hair looking incredibly neat from start of the day to the end of the day, okay? So it's pretty important. You can get it from your beauty supply store as well. All right, I shared in my previous video where I got the invisible net from, so you can go ahead to check it out. I linked the name of the brand just in case you are located in Port Harcourt and you want to get for yourself as well. So this is me just showing the end result of my hair. I attached this cute little hair vine that I made. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to link it on the screen. You should go check it out if it's something you want to make for yourself or for your clients, okay? And this is me just showing you guys the end result of the look. I was filming a video, like I said, and I'm sure you guys have seen that video, the video on how to make a bridal hand fan, and I thought to play dress up and wear something cute, make my hair, do my makeup. You guys, this content creation work for me, no be small thing. I'm my own hairstylist, my own fashion designer, my own makeup artist. It's a lot, but we love it, okay? I love it. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel, okay? Please don't forget to like this video, it's very important to me, and share with your friends and family and all that jazz, okay? Leave me comments in the comment section as well. Give me feedback on this entire video. Thank you guys again for watching, and I can't wait to see you in another one. Bye bye. Carry on and no get stamina.